I hope this present is worth it. Ha! I'm loving this. Your face is hilarious. Oh. What? Another pair of gloves? I'm so mad at you! Nah, I'm home first, loser. Hey! You deserve that! Take that! Hey, watch the base! Incoming! Look what you did! How bad is your aim? It was an accident!
Hey! What's all the noise out here? My wreath! Oh, my heart! That's not good!
Okay, that's bad. No. We have to do something. What about this ice skate? Whoa! You need to wash your feet more often. But this gives me an idea. Take the ice skate and tuck the hat inside it. Then get some festive foliage. Looks good, but we're gonna need more than that. That's it. Wow, that looks great. I've impressed myself. I didn't know you had that kind of talent. I just need to hang this on the door. There.
Hey! What's all the noise out here? Pesky kids!
He's mad! I was convinced that would work.
My wreath! It's melting my heart! It's beautiful! Hey, wait there! Snowball bite! I'm invincible!
All that's left to do is tie the bow and… finished! Hey, Santa. Check this out. Pretty good, huh?
Good job.
What's next? Ooh, this is pretty. Into the box it goes.
Looks good, but will it pass the shake test? Let's see what we're dealing with. That's it? Oh no, this won't do. This box is too big. Take this and start again. One more and you're on the naughty list.
Stupid box. It looked pretty, so what? This walnut shell gives me an idea. Yeah, this could work. Start with an empty walnut shell. Apply gold paint to the inside of the shell. Next, coat the outside of the shell with clear nail polish. Make sure to cover the whole shell. Do the same with the other half. Then put the ring in one of the shells. Put the other half over it. Tie a bow around the shell to secure it. Hey, Santa, try this present. Open it up.
If there's a walnut in here, I'll be disappointed. Wow! Well, you're going straight to the top of Santa's nice list.
Oh, Santa, thanks!
Ho ho!
Well, I'm sure we're in for a treat. This is a dream come true. I spent months making this. It's unique. But not in a good way. I'm so nervous. What if they hate my dress?
Yo, coming through! This'll be good. Sup? Check the threads.
Ugh! Christmas dress, honey. Tragic.
For real? You know nothing about street fashion.
Ooh, that's tough.
Move it!
Hey! My dress! You've ruined it! I can't go out there like this. Unless… maybe that tree could come in handy. Time for a makeover. Whoa! That's better than I imagined! This is my moment! Fabulous, darling! So my dress draws inspiration from the humble Christmas tree.
Take this. It's yours. We don't need to see anyone else.
Thank you! I want to thank my mom and dad and our dog Bingo. I love Christmas! This is so exciting! Presents! Okay, deep breath. This is for you. You're just adorable. Oh, very funny. A keyring. Just what I need.
Ha! You thought it would be something good.
Okay, my turn. Merry Christmas!
Gimme!
A Christmas decoration! Nice!
I can beat that. Here you go.
Last ones!
Enjoy.
I wonder if it's another keyring.
Open it and see.
No way! An iPad? You shouldn't have! It's too much!
Can I get mine?
There you go.
Oh, a jumper?
It's nice, huh? You don't like it?
Oh, it's lovely. I mean, it's not an iPad.
It's the thought that counts. Here, take it back.
No, wait, I love it. Come back. I think I know how I can make things better.
Take the Christmas jumper and add a cutout of a fireplace. Next, use iron-on transfer paper and iron over the fireplace. Cut out a square of material from the front of the jumper like this. Turn the jumper inside out and place a black piece of fabric on the jumper. Glue around the edges of the fabric, leaving one side glue-free. Make sure the edge without glue is at the top, creating a pocket. Press down to make sure it's smooth and stuck on. Slide the iPad into the fabric pocket. A cozy fireplace jumper! This is awesome! Oh, she's coming back. Be cool. Wanna see something cool? Ta-da! Whoa! How did you do that? Great, isn't it? Mmm, toasty! Thanks for the jumper. Come on! Yes! These lights are a mess, but the tree looks amazing. I love the star. I have to untangle these. This is hard work. Ugh, can you stop playing video games and help me? What? No. So selfish. Ugh, this is just making it worse. No! Going down! What just happened? I'm okay. Nothing to see here. No, this is a disaster! The star is broken! Why did you do this? Me? I wanted help! Sorry, I'm here now. Poor star. It was so innocent. Oh, my soda jar. I can use this to make things right. Fill a jar with drinking straws. Place a zip tie around the straws and pull it tight. Tighten the zip tie until the straws spread out. Paint the straws to make them look more festive. All that's left to do is to put it on top of the tree. Perfect! Oh! The tree! Look! I made a star! Something's missing! Lights! How about now? Over a bit. Now? This way. Hello. Hey, Grandma. You want a smoothie? Oh, no. I'm fine. Oh no, my flower! I spent years growing it. Everything okay, Grandma? Oh, she loved that flower. Maybe this paper could help. Yeah! Rip up pieces of paper and place them in a blender. Next, add some flower seeds. Pour in some water. Turn on the blender and give it a whiz. When the paper becomes pulp, it's ready. Drain out the excess water and place the pulp on some baking paper. Spread it out nice and thin and cover with a cloth. When it's dry, remove the cloth. Gently fold it over and decorate it, just like this. We were so happy. We were young and carefree. Oh, why? Grandma, I have something for you. What a lovely card and flower pot. There's more. Let me show you. I'll tear off this corner and place it in the plant pot. Give it some water. I think the grief has made her crazy. Merry Christmas! Sweetie, thank you. This is the best present. It's so beautiful. Ho ho ho! Happy holidays! What is your go-to Christmas tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun, festive videos just like this one!